Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Alrighty, so today folks we have an unboxing / review video for y'all. So in the background you're seeing MK International. This is either a sneak peek or you've already seen this update. Should have come out a day or two ago. So if you haven't already gone and seen it, go check it out. Link will be in the top. But anyway, we got 4 models in the mail. Yesterday from the RM model store. These are all 4 NG models, so that's pretty cool. I should have got these models a couple months ago, but I think RM just kind of forgot or something. I don't know. They came into stock months ago and they just never shipped out, so I think they just kind of forgot. I pre-ordered them when they came out. So anyway, I'll be showing you guys what those are, and yeah, so I'll just start. We'll go from smallest to biggest, and these are some really awesome models, and let's just dive right in. Alrighty, so starting off right here first, we have the Southwest Maryland 1 livery. That is a plane that I've been really wanting to get for a long time. It would have been really cool to get the old Gemini Jets one, but that one was just had the outdated tail, and that was freaking expensive. So I did get this one as soon as I saw it come out. Thankful that NG made this one. It looks awesome. I've already taken it out of the box, but I'll just show you this one. So this one was part of a 3-piece set from NG. So as you can see, the box artwork, I believe it went something like it was like the new livery over here, then it was the old tail, and then they made it's like the new tail with the old nose cone, and that one might be over here. I don't really know how the boxes are arranged, but this one's kind of the middle ground between the two. Very interesting, or very nice box art. You got the Maryland theme piece right here, the new colors and the old colors. So good job, NG. Again, I really like uniformity. However, these boxes, you got to give credit where credit is due, and the designers at NG do a very nice job. So good job there. And now we'll take a look at the model. All right, so here is the model. As you can tell, it looks perfect. No issue whatsoever, just a flawless model. Just well worth the money. The paint is awesome. As you can see, the Maryland one is one of my favorite liveries, just because of kind of how crazy it is. Maryland's got a great state flag, and yeah, my dad sees this one quite a bit. He's based up in Baltimore, and he says they try and keep this one out a lot. So yeah, it's just a great livery. But as you can see, I really like how it's split straight down the back. And as you can see, here's the bottom, continues over there. They do a great job with their state liveries and keeping them up to date. The old livery tail would have been cool to have as well, just because it was in there for so long. However, it just doesn't make economical sense to buy both just to have that. So I did just get this one, trying to be smarter with my money. And yeah, so that is a great model, 10 out of 10 for sure. And that trend is going to continue throughout this video. So yeah, that's my thing. So yeah, that is going to do it for this model. Of course, if you can get your hands on it, I definitely recommend it. Just the nose, the mold, everything about it is flawless. So yeah, great job. Alrighty, now sticking with the trend of the 737s, we have the Delta 737-900ER. This one, of course, NG models, as you can see, nice box art. And yeah, I don't really think this one needs much explaining. As you can see, it's got the box, nice design there. And yeah, super excited to get this one. I really love the Delta 737-900. It was one of my favorite aircraft and favorite liveries. So it was actually my first ever model, was a Gemini Jet 737-900, the 2016 release, and it's still one of my favorites. So let's take a look at it, and I'll give you my thoughts. Alrighty, so here's the model. As you can see, it is very nice, up to NG standards for sure. I very much enjoy it. I have this is my 5th Delta 737-900. I have the old 2016 Gemini Jets one. I have the Spirit, no, it's not the Spirit of Seattle, it's the other one with the guy's name on it, C.E. Woolman, I think it is. I have that one with the little writing and the standard winglets. And I have 2 of the 2019 releases, which those honestly kind of suck, but they get the job done. This one is very much up to par with the first Gemini Jets release. These two are definitely my favorite, and I think they rival each other in quality. I'll be making a video probably comparing the two, and I'll tell you which one I like better, because my answer might surprise a couple people. But yeah, as you can see, it is a perfect model. Just that looks excellent right there. That is what a 737-900 should look like. Excellent job. I wish Gemini Jets still made models like they did back in 2015, 2016, because they were up there at one time. This is that's perfect. 10 out of 10 for sure. Now, as you can see, the bottom, they do have the updated wheel caps. I do actually like the white better, but I guess that's blue for realistic. You got the red antennas, and yeah, nothing wrong with the gears. As you can see, there's no issue with wing flex like the Gemini Jets ones. They look nice and straight, as you can see. Now, the 2016 Gemini Jets one is also actually a little bit better. But as you can see, it is just a flawless model. Highly recommend it if you need it, because I mean, you can never have too many Delta or United 737s. I just got my United 737s. You can check that video out up there. And yeah, so perfect model. We're gonna continue that trend here, and we'll move on to the next model. Alrighty, next up we have the Japan Airlines, or JAL, 787-9 Dreamliner in the plain livery. Now, I've been wanting a JAL model for a long time. I was trying to get my hands on a Phoenix 789 like this one here. I'm still trying to find a 777-300ER, because that is one of my most sought after models. I would be stoked if I could get my hands on one of those. That is one of my favorite planes, just because I've seen it at SFO since I was like a little child. So I really like this plane. Box art, a lot of people said it was okay, just kind of plain. Well, I mean, their livery's plain, but I really like the little bird at the end, the swan. I think it's just a very nice livery. Of course, they didn't do much, obviously. I just think it looks really nice. Box as well looks very nice. The gradient on the box is just very nice with the swan in the background. Good job, NG. I really like this box. We'll move on to the model. And here she is in all of her beauty, the NG Models Japan Airlines 787-9. I mean, flawless model. Looks perfect. Just, it looks so nice on that runway, you know. As a collector, you see shots like this, especially thank you to my parents again for getting me this new phone. I think it was like free or something from AT&T. But it just looks so nice with the new camera. It's like actually nice to be able to take a picture of what it looks like in real life, because with the sunset that I get with my room being literally right there, you get some nice shots. So yeah, it just looks very nice. Again, very happy to get a Japan Airlines model. If you guys know where you can get a 777, I'd very much appreciate it. Hopefully someone gets smart and releases one, because it would sell out like that. But yeah, it just looks great. Obviously, it's just a white underbelly, but I've seen planes like this at San Diego a bunch. This will be very nice for MK International, San Diego, all those types of airports. So yeah, this will be a very resourceful plane. My only grief with the 787 by NG is just I think the window decals look kind of cheap up at the front. I just think they look like the nose just looks a little too smooth in my opinion. And the decals, I think Gemini Jets has better 787 decals. But other than that, I mean, you can't complain with this one. Perfect. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I just wish their decals were different at the front, but I could say the same for almost any NG model, so I just prefer Gemini Jet's front decals better. But yeah, we'll move on to the fourth and final model. And yes, there she is in all of her beauty, the Hawaiian Airline 787-9. Sticking with the Dreamliner theme, we have this new Hawaiian 787. Now, I'm not sure if they're flying them yet. I think it's been delivered and painted, but I could be wrong. I know they ordered them a while back. But yeah, this one, Hawaiian Airlines has probably like my favorite livery, so I wanted to get this one. Also, I figured it would be cool just I don't really have an airport where they're probably going to fly this to, but for having a fictional airport in MK International, I can use this one if I want to, because of course it is fictional. So of course I can really just kind of do whatever I want with it. And so I'm going to probably have this one flying to MK International, and then I'll have the A330 obviously just going to realistic airports. So yeah, this one will work out great. And let's take a look at this beautiful model. Yes, this model is perfect. Literally nothing NG did wrong or anything. The color is perfect. It just looks so nice back there. They executed flawlessly on this model. Could not ask for anything better. Again, Gemini Jets, if you're watching this, this is how you make models. I will give them credit though. I haven't had any broken Gemini Jets models in a long time. I actually just keep getting broken NG models with the 737s, but besides the point, this one is flawless. As you can see, here's the underbelly with the amazing tail finish and the lay that goes down the side of the fuselage. Look at that detail in there. That looks very nice. Good detail on the engines too, as you can see from the back, and then from the front. I'll show you guys what it looks like going down the nose. And yeah, just perfect model, even sides. And this one is going to be very nice for the collection. So yeah, that just looks so nice, like that with the sun beaming down. That could be a thumbnail one day. But yes, that is a great model. Lovely plane, and I would highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 for sure. Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for this review / unboxing video. Some really good models in here. I would highly recommend getting all of them. They're all fantastic. Again, all by NG models. Great job guys. You guys are doing good stuff over there, so keep it coming. I still do have a lot of models on order that just because of shipping issues and stuff, congestion in all the harbors, they can't get the models in. So hopefully we can kind of figure out and get our infrastructure back on and supply chain going again. But yeah, so we're waiting on those. I am planning on getting a couple models. Specifically, I'm thinking about getting the NG United Continental 739, the Asiana 777 that Gemini just released. I've been wanting to get one of those for a long time, so I'm going to jump at that one. Possibly the Delta CRJ 200, and then I'm also thinking about maybe getting like another NG 739 after seeing this one, and then possibly an NG A330 for Delta. So we'll see. Some good stuff coming out. I really want to see a Delta 757-200 without winglets. I know NG made one, and I was going to get one, but it sold out right before I could get one. So hopefully we can get another one of those. That would be really nice. And yeah, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Again, if you didn't see the MK International video, go check that one out. Some really great planes in it, and great routes. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys are staying positive and having a lot of fun. Hope you guys are all having a safe winter. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.